Hey everybody, my name's Erica from Tampa, Florida. I'm gonna try this recording again. Last time, I don't know what happened. I'm trying to connect the link. Anyway, I have 7 kids, blended family. I love my babies, ages 3, 5, 6, 8, 12, 14, and 15. It can be very hectic at times. Right now, I'm currently working for a physical therapy office at the front desk. I've decided that I want to go ahead and take on education because I want to work in the school and I feel like I will be very good at teaching, so I want to get some background on education. I do have my bachelor's degree in biology, which I worked in a lab for a few years, but once I had kids, I had to not work night shift, so I'm looking forward to doing that. Let's see. I love to dance, listen to music. Every now and again, watch some good soap operas, but the kids keep me pretty busy, and so does work, so I'm trying to focus on the future. Some history. I've moved around probably every 4 years. So something that kind of stood out was probably my last 4 years in high school. That's when I opened up a little bit more and I was in talent shows and went to dances, got to know a bunch of different people. So that was a very highlighting story in my life. I'm hoping that with this program, I'll be able to start teaching in the elementary field. I know right now with me having my bachelor's degree, I can get into some charter schools and try to start teaching, so I have been applying for that. But once I complete my master's, I feel like it'll help me to go ahead and get my certification so I can take the test and teach as well. A quote that I do like is, if you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So in my mind, that's like anything that you put your mind to, you will succeed. But once you feel defeated, you're done. You're not willing. So that's, again, anything you put your mind to, you'll do it. I also just want to say I am excited for the course. This is a new experience. I am still working out the kinks of the classroom, so this is all very new to me. I want to wish everybody good luck. I look forward to working with everybody and the professor. Happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, and have a good evening.